We've heard in user tests just how much people love templates when they're writing copy. But I almost never use templates. I actually can't remember when I last used a template. Instead, I use frameworks and I use formulas, and you should too. And here's why. Templates are largely inflexible. It's very easy to try to fill in the blanks in a template and end up writing about the wrong thing for your audience with the wrong tone. Frameworks, on the other hand, are flexible tools for organizing your messages in a compelling way. And formulas, like headline formulas, are more precise tools for making your first draft copy pack way more punch. Now, when writing conversion copy, you'll use copywriting frameworks to organize what you want to say. You'll use copywriting formulas to improve how you want to say it. In particular, you'll use formulas to make your headlines and crossheads more powerful. The effect of using frameworks and formulas is this: your copy will be more compelling in the end. And an awesome side effect is that you'll save a ton of time and frustration, given that frameworks and formulas remove a whole lot of guesswork from the copywriting process. Throughout this training, we'll share the best framework to use for whatever you're trying to do. For example, we may suggest you use the PAS framework to write an email intended to nurture leads to click to learn more about a solution you're offering. Then we'll show you how to use it. And unlike with templates, once you know a framework, you can use it all over the place in the many, many emails and pitch decks and sales calls and all that stuff that you complete every single day. Once you've got your messages organized in your framework, you'll also learn which formulas to use to improve the power of your headlines and crossheads. So in the end, you'll write compelling copy faster without relying on inflexible, one-size-fits-none templates and without facing the blank page empty-handed.